guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some booty burn workouts, and you can definitely do this at home or at the gym. But if you're like me, if you're a mommy, if you're just a busy bee and you don't really have time, or you don't even have a gym membership, then these workouts are definitely the way to go. They are going to burn your buns and you don't really need any equipment. All you need is just some bands. These ones in particular I did receive from Core Fitness. They are amazing, you guys. These are the bands. They come in 3 different sizes, in small, medium, and large. In this video, I will be using medium and large. So basically, the smaller you go, the more difficult it will be. And let me show you guys close up. Like, the material is not like your regular booty bands. This material will actually stay put, won't roll up on you, won't get annoying on you. These are a really high quality material. It is way more challenging than those cheapy ones that you can get at Target. I used to like those, but after using these, oh my gosh, you can definitely tell a huge difference, guys. Also comes with a little mesh bag right here where you can store your bands afterwards, and then also comes with an exercise guide. Get some ideas here. I will go ahead and leave the link to where you can purchase these bands down in the description box below. These are some life-changing booty burning bands. You definitely need to try them out. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the workouts. you guys try these at home, and even better, please try these bands because oh my god, honestly, these are the best bands I've ever used. The regular cheapy ones are definitely not as challenging. I honestly don't like them because like I said, they roll up, they move around, they get really annoying. But these are the way to go. Like I 100%, actually, you know what, 1000% recommend these bands. So freaking bomb, so bomb. Like I need you guys to try it out for yourself so you can know how I feel right now. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but oh my god, I'm sweating so freaking much and my booty is burning. Feels like a fire is like lit all over my booty, okay? So definitely try it out, guys. I will leave the direct link to where you can purchase these down in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.